Hello viewers, welcome to the introductory video of the new SWAYAM course on Indian Judicial System, Legal Aid and Environmental Protection. This course shall be of 10 weeks duration and it has been designed to benefit the students and faculty of law and those of the other social sciences like the political science, economics, sociology and public administration, the environmental activists, the legal aid activists, the legal professionals, the professionals of alternative dispute resolution like the arbitrators, mediators and conciliators, the industrialists and the non-governmental organizations. I request you to enroll yourself in good numbers and to be part of this learning process to enrich yourselves and also to help the society, the chosen field and the citizens at large. I once again extend a warm welcome to all the students and others to be part of this exercise and to make it a grand success. Thank you very much.